Patricia Dorado, and today I will teach you how to make a fried Oreo. First, we need to know what is the ingredients. Number 1, Oreo. Number 2, pancake mix. Then, vegetable oil, egg, milk, and syrup. It is optional to make the fried Oreo delicious. To the Oreo, we need to prepare the pancake. We will beat the egg. After we beat the egg, we will mix the egg to the pancake mix. 1/2 cup of milk. We should use measuring cups to make the measurements accurate. After we mix the egg, we will put 1 cup of water. Instead of water, I prefer to put milk, so it will be more delicious. We should use cups to make the measurements accurate. Putting milk, we need to put 2 teaspoons of oil. Again, we should use measuring cups to make the measurements accurate. Putting all the ingredients, we need to mix it. Then we will put oil. We should wait until the oil heat for 335 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. The oil is ready to fry the Oreos. So that's the finished product of deep fried Oreo.
It's really good.